maybe Paris as a club doesn't have over the last decade the same level of experience of Chelsea, but you go player by player and the picture is not like that, because Thiago and Alex and Motta, Maxwell, Ibra, Cavani, all of them, they have big experience in the competition.
Paris Saint-Germain is a very good team. I think they have very good strikers, very good midfielders, defenders. I think they have a very complete team, and obviously we try to do our best.
We are not going tomorrow to play with 5 defenders or 3 central defenders or a diamond in midfield. No, we are going to play the way we are training and the way we are playing, and we also believe in what we do.